How to buy CapCut Pro subscription. Now, for you to be able to have a wider view of options where you can choose, I will recommend you guys using your laptop or PC. Just again open up your preferred web browser, but on this video I'm going to be using Google Chrome. So just head directly to CapCut.com, and then this is going to be the CapCut's official site. Now you just have to log into your account at the top right portion so that once subscription went through, it will automatically swapped out into CapCut Pro if you're using a software. And here, if you scroll down a bit, as you can see, there is Get Pro now, and you should have specific options if it's gonna be a monthly basis or a yearly basis. Now, either of these two has a limited offer that only has 8 hours left. The same goes with yearly. Now, if you will choose on a monthly basis, just simply click on Get Pro and you will now then be redirected to the checkout page. Now, your payment method will also be either through your Gcash, which is going to be your e-wallet, or you can also try to use your debit or credit card, your Maya, and all. If you be using your Gcash after submission, your account will be saved for a faster checkout next time. And then once your account is linked, you will be redirected back here to place the order. So just verify the specific amount and also double check if you have sufficient fund from your e-wallet, and then just click on pay. And that's it. That's how you pay, or that's how you buy a CapCut Pro subscription.